New evidence was presented by a stuntwoman who was suing Kevin Costner for an alleged unscripted rape scenario. Due to what she claims was an unscripted rape scene in his Horizon 2 Western, stunt performer Devyn LaBella filed a lawsuit against the Hollywood veteran. In the lawsuit, LaBella claimed to be the victim of a violent, unscripted, unscheduled rape scene directed by Kevin Costner. The case was filed in the Superior Court of California for Los Angeles County on Tuesday, May 27. The stuntwoman allegedly texted the film's intimacy coordinator the day following the alleged encounter, according to the file that the Mirror US was able to receive. The text messages that revealed a conversation with Celeste Cheney, the intimacy coordinator for the 2024 movie, the day after the purported scene was filmed, were discovered by US Weekly. "I wanted to discuss yesterday's abomination when we both have a chance," LaBella allegedly texted. She continued, "I was put in a really wrong position, and it's really affected me. I wanted to discuss yesterday's abomination when we both have a chance," LaBella allegedly texted. She continued, "I was put in a really wrong position, and it's really affected me." "Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear this, Devyn," the coordinator allegedly replied. "Let's talk through it." LaBella asked the coordinator a dozen questions regarding the purported incident in another purported message. "Why was there no intimacy coordinator?" she wrote. "Given the delicate nature of the work, why was a stunt double performing this non-stunt work? Who is going to take responsibility for the abuse of power?" LaBella allegedly added. "What happened to me on that set was a reckless violation, a breach of consent and of basic workplace safety," LaBella wrote in a statement to the Mirror US. "After telling me to lie down, another actor was brought in to pretend to rape me on top of me without any prior notice or preparation. My panties were on display. After that, I was left alone, shocked and overwhelmed. Consent isn't compliance under duress. Once the harm has started, consent cannot be granted. There isn't much of a choice once the line is crossed. I started talking right away. And for that, I encountered denial, silence, and attempts to undermine my credibility. What occurred to me is not the only aspect of this issue. It concerns a dysfunctional system that silences critics and shields the powerful. Demanding change is important for everyone who deserves to work in safety and dignity, not just for myself. On that set, something went wrong. Make it known. I got to my feet. I was honest. And I will never feel bad about asking for the bare minimum at work, to be treated like a human being." James A. Vagnini, Escornchers, LaBella's lawyer at Valley Kane and Vagnini LLP, informed the Mirror US in a statement, "We amend this complaint to emphasize the undeniable proof that Ms. LaBella stood up and voiced her objections and suffering from the moment she was subjected to the trauma forced upon her, in addition to addressing defendants' ongoing attempts to obstruct her employment opportunities."